We're gonna go to the elevator at Carson Prescott and River Mall. Elevator, here it goes. Press 2. So if you press it twice, it'll close like the way when it closes. This is the huge elevator at Carson Prescott and River Oaks Mall in Calumet City, Illinois. Someone must be littering over there in this elevator. A lot of litter bugs. Bunch of litter bugs out there. Here we go. Alright, door open. It's the second floor. It's the men's apartment, so let's press 1. Here we go. Just lean in the corner, so I always lean in the corner. Okay, that's it.